Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a lead capture form using airSlate. First thing you have to do is to sign up for an airSlate account and create your own workspace. Once that's done, on the dashboard, click on this orange button that says Create New Flow. So click on that. And then name the workflow. So let's name this lead capture form. And click on Form or Survey. And then you want to click on Blank Form. And wait for it to load. And here you go. You have your empty form. Let's start with a heading. Let's just use the same heading. Sign up here. And the description, we have this one. Let's put it at the center. There you go. So just go to text alignment and click on the center one. Next, click on single line text, and this is for the first name. Another single line text for the last name. And then the last field would be email. Just like the other sample forms, let's write, please provide your best email. So there you have it. You already have the header and the 3 fields that you need for this lead capture form. Next, you want to go to Style, and here you can add your company's logo. Let's add ours. That's the business blocks. Again, by default, it's aligned to the left. Just go to Align Logo and select the center one, and there you go. Next, go to Color and select your header color and background color of choice. Let's just leave it with the default color for the background, maybe this one. Once you're good with that, click on Complete. And then continue. And here, just click on this drop down button right next to send and get the shareable link. Turn it on and copy the code. Copy code. Then after that, apply changes. So on your site, you want to add that code, add a block, short code, and paste it there. And then to preview, let's see how it looks once embedded. Scroll down. And it's here. To check, just consent. And there it is. That's the form we have just created using airSlate. Really quick and easy. Go ahead and try it yourself.